What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today is a good day. It is Friday. Getting a lot of stuff done. I just left Starbucks renting off the Canon C70 with the RF24, the 70 f2.8 IS lens. My boy hit me up. He wanted to know if he should invest in the Sony ZV-E1. Want to give thoughts. Now, I'm normally a Canon shooter, but at the end of the day, more than anything, what is the best gear, equipment for the job, the purpose? I'm not brand loyal, I'm content loyal. So whatever's gonna get the job done, save me the most money, maximize efficiency, that's what I'm sold on. So getting into that question, Sony ZV-E1, I think is an amazing vlogging camera, hands down. I think it might be one of the best vlogging cameras ever created because it's able to be the smallest full frame camera Sony has, 422 10-bit color space, bunch of new AI tools. You're getting rid of like some of the stuff that old shooters like dials, and I still appreciate that on some of my cameras. But in terms of like getting the job done, I don't see any limitations that camera have. You have S-Log 2, S-Log 3. You also have S-Cinetone, which was normally reserved for higher end cinema cameras from Sony lineup. You have built-in ND filter. You have product showcase, which now is a little bit more advanced with technology. You don't have to put anything in front of your face or set it. Like literally it's going to recognize that. You have the ability to have lens breathing compensation, which none of my cameras even have right now. And generally you had to buy cinema lenses to not have to worry about focus breathing. And now you have technology to be able to crop in and do that with a full frame camera. The low light capabilities is rumored to have the same sensor as the Sony A7S, so you know the low light capabilities is on steroids, shooting at 12,800 ISO as his second ISO setting because it's dual base ISO. I don't know what to tell you. I'll tell you, if you're looking for a vlog camera and 2100 is within your budget, I would recommend heavily buying that camera because listen, I want people to save their money, but I also want people to be a little bit future-proof. And based on what that camera provides, I don't see why in the next 4 to 5 years you're going to want to upgrade that camera. It wasn't like years ago when I bought like a 5D Mark III and like we waiting for a 4K camera to come out. We're looking for a camera that's going to have slow motion. This camera already has 4K 60, plus it has 4K 120 firmware update that's coming out soon. I just feel like investing in a camera like that is going to put you in a good position. So my initial thoughts on the Sony ZV-E1 with all the features, it's a buy.